Let's remove and replace some toilet parts. Firstly, as always, let's turn off the water supply. Remove the tank lid and put it somewhere safe, like in the bathtub, on a towel. Flush the toilet to remove the majority of the water. Remove as much as you can with your shop vac. Loosen the tank to bowl nuts from their bolts. Remove the water supply flex. Carefully remove the tank. There will still be some leftover water. Pour it into the toilet bowl. Have a towel lying on the floor to protect the tank and catch any leftover water. Remove the tank to bowl gasket. Some will look different to this and will not have the bolts going through them. With a large set of channel locks, remove the flushing valve nut. Don't be afraid to break out the big tools to make this easier for yourself and not round off your big nuts. Remove the fill valve, smaller nuts, smaller channel locks. Always use the right tool for the right job to avoid damage or injury. Time to reverse everything and replace the parts with new or refurbished. Slip the flush valve shaft into the tank hole, snug up the nut, do not over tighten. On this model, don't do this first. Push the tank to bowl through the holes, and you should also not do it the wrong way, Even the pros make an oversight here and there. Just take your time and remember to take pics or videos to refer to if required. Replace the flush valve. If your tank to bowl looks more like a donut, then it can be added after the flush valve is installed. Snug up the nut with the big wrench. As always, do not over tighten. Gently replace the bowl. Carefully snug up the nuts on the tank to the bowl. Do not over tighten, you could split the porcelain and have to replace everything. Screw the water supply flex back onto the fill valve, removing the seat for cleaning or changing. Use a flathead screwdriver to pry the screw covers, loosen the screws. Simply screw the lid back down. Please like and subscribe if you got any value from our how-to video. Please check out our other videos designed to save you money and assist you in your DIY.